Save up to $3,450 in heat pump tax credits and rebates on a new system with KC Services HVAC. For a short time, KC Services can install energy-efficient heat pump systems and save you up to $2,600 in heat pump tax credits from the Inflation Reduction Act, and $850 in Duke Energy heat pump rebates. That's up to $3,450 in potential savings. But you can also save on your energy costs. Upgrading to an energy-efficient heat pump system can save over $400 annually on your energy bill. So why choose KC Services? According to the Department of Energy, approximately 70 to 90% of heat pumps have at least one installation error. You don't want to waste money on a sloppy HVAC company that cuts corners. KC Services has over 50 years' experience installing all kinds of high-efficiency systems, and has one of the highest customer and manufacturer ratings in the area. Our NATE-certified techs follow the manufacturer's guidelines and local building codes to ensure your system is installed right the first time. Our properly licensed and certified heat pump installations will require fewer repairs, prolong your unit's life, and keep you compliant with warranties and insurance. And don't worry if this is your first time dealing with rebates and tax credits. We've installed these types of systems for thousands of homeowners. The KC Services 3-step process makes it easy for homeowners. First, our experts will help you choose the system that works best for your home, and what rebates and credits might apply. Then we install the system, following all manufacturer and local requirements, and also test the system to ensure it's operating at peak efficiency. Lastly, we'll submit proper paperwork for rebates and credits where possible, and give you copies of paperwork, so that you can get the additional rebates and credits where possible. The KC Services 3-step process ensures you get the right heat pump for your home and budget, you get the most rebates and tax credits, and you get a properly installed system that'll last. Give us a call or fill out our form and save big with 2023 heat pump incentives.